Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the 11th edition of the OpenNebula conference. I am very happy to be here with thousands of people watching around the globe. Thanks everyone for joining. OpenNebula conference are events for learning. We have prepared sessions to learn from community, from partners, from experts, and of course, from members of the OpenNebula team. Yes, time goes fast. And this is our 11th OpenNebula conference. We have organized 8 physical events in the EU and the US. And in 2022, we decided to go virtual in order to remove the barriers of travel and expense for our entire community. We believe this format increases the participation options for members of our global OpenNebula community. This is a very special event because this event is about OpenNebula next generation. With all the expertise and experience accumulated since our first release of OpenNebula in 2010, 14 years ago, we have defined a strategic plan to provide the vendor neutrality and the flexibility demanded by the next generation cloud edge infrastructures. With one single platform, you will have infinite possibilities. 6.10, to be released within more or less 1 month, will be a LTS version to give our users 30 months to plan their migration to the new upcoming 7 series. OpenNebula 7 will be the first release of OpenNebula next generation. Our vision is to make the world's cloud resources as easy to use as a single cloud by providing the ability to get what we need when and where we need it with a click of a button. Well, what this OpenNebula next generation means from a technology perspective. We have defined 4 technology pillars. The first one is intelligence, both artificial intelligence for cloud operations and cloud for artificial intelligence workloads. We will have in the agenda a specific session about how OpenNebula is being used to run demanding AI training workloads. Second, automation, both for installation and for the dynamic management of the infrastructure and applications. In the agenda, we have included a specific session about how to automate apps with Terraform on OpenNebula. Third, confidential computing. This is about running your VMs by encrypting data in use while they are being processed. We will have a specific panel about the latest developments in confidential computing. And fourth, portability. This is about running your workloads on any cloud provider and on-prem with a truly consistent deployment and management experience. We have included a specific panel about the challenges of multi-cloud and edge. Well, what next generation means from a product perspective? The new OpenNebula will bring several components all integrated in a simplified end-to-end product, including new components like one form for automatic provisioning of infrastructure and one AI Ops to support AI-driven operations. Well, in the agenda, we have included a keynote presentation to present our next generation product. And what about the community and ecosystem perspective? Well, we need your help to build the next generation cloud edge. That's the reason why we have created a new integration program framework to support and promote the appliances that work on OpenNebula, new platform extensions that expand the capabilities of OpenNebula, and new cloud providers that integrate with the OpenNebula multi-cloud. We have also created a new deployment framework to support and simplify the adoption of OpenNebula. And of course, we will announce a new webinar and tech day series in collaboration with our partners and users. Well, in order to describe all these actions, we have included a specific keynote about what is coming to enable the cloud edge ecosystem. Well, and what about business enablement? Well, here there are 2 different perspectives. One of them is related to adoption, to the use of OpenNebula. OpenNebula is the best alternative for VMware. We receive tens of emails every day from companies interested in migrating from VMware to OpenNebula. In the last months, we have developed new tools, services, and white papers to help in this migration process. The conference includes one specific session to illustrate the migration process with a real commercial example. OpenNebula is also widely used to build cloud services. That is the reason why we'll have a panel about how several cloud providers are using OpenNebula to engine their offerings. From a partner perspective, we are announcing in a few days a new technology and business partner program with many benefits that include training or certification. We will have a specific keynote to introduce this upcoming COGNIT partner program, and we will also have, one presentation by one of our best partners, Full Stack S, who will present the lessons learned after 10 years of collaboration with us. Last but not least, we are all about innovation. This is why we include some sessions with our innovation activities that will be part of the product in the medium term. For example, a panel about private 5G by the 1H 5G project, and several sessions about the adoption of cognitive computing in several industries by the COGNIT project. Last but not least, please do not forget to visit the virtual booths of our sponsors, Storpool, Full Stack S, and In One Solution. And I want to personally thank our 3 sponsors, the companies participating in the sessions, the speakers, and the public agencies that are supporting OpenNebula to reach the next level. Big thanks and enjoy your conference.